Hello guys, welcome as we do the question before us. I read the question. Solve for x and y. Log xy to base 2 is equals to 4. Log x plus y to base 3 is equals to 3. So guys, we now start to do the question. And guys, now the first thing we are going to do, guys, we are going to convert this these logs into indices. So the first one, we are going to have it be in xy is equals to 2 raised to 4. And so therefore, guys, this is going to be xy equals to 16. Because 2 raised to 4 is 16. Guys, we now come to this other one. For this, we are going to have x plus 3. So x plus y equals to 3 raised to 3. Guys, this now comes to x plus y equals to 2, 7. And so therefore, guys, we now have two equations. We have that equation and we also have that equation. Guys, now we work out those two problems. And maybe I can write them right here now. xy equals to 16. And then we have x plus y equals to 2, 7. Guys, I can come and use the first equation and say y, for this equation, you have y equals to 16 over x. Guys, now using substitution method, I can come and now substitute for y right here. So we shall have x plus, instead of writing y, I write 16 all over x. This now comes to 2, 7. With that, I can come and now multiply by x every term to remove the denominator, x. And so therefore, if I multiply by x, this side will have x squared plus, this now comes to 16, is equals to 27x, like that. And so therefore, x squared now minus 27x plus 16 is equals to 0. So now we have a quadratic equation in which we want to solve. Using quadratic formula, we shall have minus, that is plus, b. Because of this minus, it becomes a plus. Square root, that is plus or minus square root 27 squared, which guys we can find that this comes to 729 minus 4ac, that is 4 times 16. 4 times 16, guys, that comes to 64. And so we have 64 right there, all over 2a. So this is 2. And so therefore, guys, our x is equals to that. We can come now and evaluate that. X equals now, this now comes to, so guys, we now get this as our evaluated quadratic equation. But guys, we need now to simplify. So we say 27, this one now comes to, x is either 27 plus 25.78 divided by 2, or x is also equal to 27 minus 25.8, that is 0.78 all over 2. So guys, we now look for those solutions. So x will be equal to, so guys, we have our solution right here, x equals to 6.4 or x equals to 0.61. Guys, we can now use our equation right there where we said y equals to 16 all over x. And so we can apply this side, and we also apply that this other side. And so guys, let's see what we shall get. So guys, we now get y equals to 0.606. That's when x is equals to 26.4. Or when x is 0.61, y becomes 26.2. So guys, it's like there is some exchanging, so that when x is 26.4 at one time, the other time x could be actually it could be 0.61. And so that's what we have, and thank you guys for listening to me.